Here it is, the 11th of May, and I tell you one thing, you gotta have a pretty strong stomach to be able to handle this. I love Labrador, and my stomach is turned, for sure. Opened my gate. I don't even know if you can get the full gist of how much snow we have or how heavy and water laden it is, but it's nearly impossible to shovel it. I don't know when it's going to go. It's just a solid, wet, heavy mess. And thank you, Dave, for helping me, because Ron had his appendix out this week, so it's not a good week for him to be shoveling. And for me, I am exhausted. Please stop snowing. Thank you. Ugh.